Hi guys, this is Rowan, aka the Human Voice Box, here to bring you more free sound effects that you guys can use on your films. So today's sound effect is going to be a man falling off a cliff? Yeah, so sometimes in movies, well, all the times in movies, people fall off cliffs. Sometimes they survive, most of the time they do because they like land in a ravine or something. But you know, it happens all the time. It's like a cool scene in a movie, a falling scene. But they can't really push people off cliffs to get the sound effect. So that's why I'm here, and that's why you can use this sound effect. So here we go. Whoa, 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 Oh, I've grabbed a branch. Oh no, the branch is snapping. I can't get out of frame. And you see what happens to me at the bottom is a mystery. Mystery.